So that's who's been doing all of the banging that's been going on. Wow. And she keeps turning. She turned immediately to look to make sure that I saw it. They've been out there banging for a very long period of time, and I've been ignoring it. And look, this is not an emergency car problem. This is something that is looks like body work of some kind. It's just crazy. Look at that. What the hell is he even doing? Yes, I am taking a video, bitch woman. And yes, I did get your face. So this is an obvious gang stalking LARP right here. Wow. That they picked that particular spot in front of a motorhome to do some body work. Really? Not even clever.